Howdy y'all, got a little bit of unfortunate news, let's get to it. So a little bit of I wouldn't say setback, just a little bit of disappointing news. The truck has been delayed. Yes, it was supposed to be started on the 30th of September, and apparently it was, but I've since been notified that it is delayed for some reason. Ford has not specified. They have just informed me that it is a good amount of the way done, but it's just sitting there because they're missing some part or something's just not going right with it. Whatever the case may be, because they're not splurging on the details, the truck's just not going to be here as soon as I expected, which is a bit of a bummer. But if you think this is a discouraging factor, you are sadly mistaken. There's going to be setbacks anywhere in any process of this proportion. Anywhere you start with the welding rig, as you all seen, insurance has been a little bit of a hassle. There's been other things that just take a little bit longer than what we're expected. There's going to be instances in the future will be the same. Things are going to take longer, things are going to happen, and there'll be a little bit of setbacks or they'll take longer. And it happens. You can't be discouraged, you can't give up. And if you quit, well, you quit. You gave up on yourself. And that, in my opinion, is highly unfortunate. But you got to believe in yourself. You're doing something like this, you got to keep going. You got to push forward. You can't give up. And I know some folks would think that the truck is being delayed and this is the end of the line. I really don't see it like that. It's just delayed. For whatever reason, it is delayed. Hopefully it's not long. I really hope it's not long. But it happens. There's nothing I can do about it. I can't go over there and build the darn thing myself. If I could, I would, but that ain't gonna happen. So it is somewhere, I forget which plant it's at, either Ohio or Kentucky. And the truck's just sitting there, and Ford will let me know once it's being built again, once they're getting back to it. So obviously I'll keep you all updated, but that's kind of where the truck is at. So it's kind of hard to do anything without a truck for a mobile welder, but that's where the truck is at right now. It's just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. But that doesn't mean I'm sitting here doing absolutely nothing. I've been working on other things for the rig. It's always time to be busy. There's no time to just sit around and do nothing. If you have time to sit around and do nothing, you have plenty of time to do something, whether it's sitting and doing something or being up and doing something. You can always look up more stuff on your computer, your phone. You can be up doing something, working on something, improving something, whether it's improving something that's for the rig or improving yourself for the rig. There's always something that can be done. And that's just my opinion. I know a lot of folks don't agree, but it's my opinion, so I don't care whether folks agree or not. But there's always something to be done, and it's time to push forward. And when something like a little bit of a setback or a little bit of delay happens, oh well, it's going to happen. Nothing you can do about it. Just keep going. There's always something you can do to keep pushing forward. So that's today's video. Truck's going to be delayed. I will keep you all updated once it gets back on the assembly line or whatever process it's at. I don't know where it's at. They wouldn't specify. But once I get updated on the truck, y'all will be updated as well. So hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.